How to enlarge or shrink a folder on the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, to the S25 Ultra. Now first tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Go to the home screen that has the folder that you would like to enlarge or shrink. Here the folder is already enlarged, so to make it smaller, all you have to do is touch and hold on the folder. Then from the pop-up, tap on shrink, and that will shrink the folder. To make it big, simply touch and hold onto that, and then choose enlarge. When the folder is enlarged, you can quickly open up apps without first having to open the folder. So say I want to open up YouTube Music, I can just tap on that. So here, if the folder is shrinked, then I need to open up the folder first before I can open up YouTube Music. And that's it. That is how you can enlarge or shrink a folder on the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.